Good morning, friends. It's time for Unit 4. તમે આ યુનિટનું નામ નોટિસ કર્યું? Very interesting name. Q of yes, no, yes, no, yes, no activity. આ એક્ટિવિટી 1 પણ બહુ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ છે. સૌ પહેલાં એક્ટિવિટી 1નો જે ફર્સ્ટ સેક્શન છે, ફર્સ્ટ બોક્સ છે, એ આપણે વાંચીએ. એક્ટિવિટી 1.
Activity 1.
Sir, will you punish me for what I did not do?
No, of course not.
I have not done my homework today.
સાંભળો ને આ ડાયલોગ. પાર્થ ઇઝ સચ અ સ્માર્ટ બોય. હવે ઇટ્સ ટાઈમ ફોર ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર. તમારી પાસે ટેક્સ્ટ બુક હશે જ. ગો ટુ પેજ નંબર 40. પેજ ઉપર બ્લોક 1, જોક 1 જુઓ. એની નીચે 3 ક્વેશ્ચન્સ છે. આપણે 1 બાય 1 આ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ કરતા જઈશું અને તમારે એના આન્સર્સ ટેક્સ્ટ બુકમાં લખવાના છે. ડીડ પાર્થ ડુ હિઝ હોમવર્ક? નો, પાર્થ ડીડ નોટ ડુ હિઝ હોમવર્ક. નાવ ઇટ્સ ટાઈમ ફોર ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 2. વિલ ધ ટીચર પનિશ પાર્થ? હવે આ ક્વેશ્ચન થોડો ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ છે. એનો યસ ઓર નો એવો સીધો આન્સર આપી શકાય એમ નથી. કોઈ ટીચર હોય કડક, જેમને સેન્સ ઓફ હ્યુમર ના ગમતી હોય તો કદાચ પનિશ કરે પણ ખરા, અને કોઈ ટીચર હોય તમારા ટીચર જેવા તો પનિશ ના કરે, એપ્રિશિએટ કરે પાર્થની સેન્સ ઓફ હ્યુમરને. તો તમારે શું લખવું છે? યસ કે નો? આઈ રેકમેન્ડ નો. નો, ધ ટીચર વિલ નોટ પનિશ પાર્થ. નાઉ ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 3. ટીચર વિલ પનિશ પાર્થ બીકોઝ. અહીંયા તમારે કારણ લખવાનું છે અને આપણને કાર્ય આપી દીધું છે. ટીચર વિલ પનિશ પાર્થ, ફૂલ સ્ટોપ. વિચારવું પડશે કે ટીચર પાર્થને પનિશમેન્ટ કેમ આપે? પાર્થે જોક કહ્યો એટલે કે પાર્થે હોમવર્ક ના કર્યું એટલે? વોટ ઇઝ યોર ઓપ્શન? બેમાંથી કોઈ પણ ઓપ્શન લખી શકાય એવો છે. ઓપ્શન નંબર 1 ઇઝ ટીચર will punish Parth because Parth did not do the homework. Option number 2. Parth cracked a joke. Let's move further. It's time for second joke.
Jigar, your father was black a few months ago, but now he's looking very fair.
Yes, you are right.
Does he apply fairness cream?
No, he doesn't.
Did he consult a beautician?
See, before 2 months, he was working in an oil mill, and now he is working in a flour mill.
So, હવે once again, time for questions and answers. Let's read question number 1. Did Jigar's father apply a face cream? Face અને ફેસને ફેર કરવા માટેની ક્રીમ, face cream. Did Jigar's father applied that? Well, Jigar has already said no, Jigar's father did not apply a face cream. લખાઈ ગયો ને આન્સર? Now, time for question number 2. Did Jigar's father consult a beautician? Jigar's father did not consult the beautician. And that is our answer. Third question. Did Jigar's father work in a coal mine? He worked in the oil mill first and then at the flour mill, not at the coal mine. So, answer શું આવશે? No, Jigar's father did not work in a coal mine. Now, it's time for joke number 3. It is on page number 41.
Why are you late today?
Sir, I got up a bit late today. I was in a hurry. I pressed the toothpaste very hard and the whole paste came out. I tried very hard to put paste back into the tube. I tried for more than an hour, but I failed. Then I started for school. So I reached late.
Now, you are right. Time for question answer. Question number 1. Did Chintu get up on time? Chintu get up on time? No. He got up a bit late. So what will be the answer? No, he didn't. Chintu got up a bit late. Write it down. Very well. Question number 2. Did Chintu put the paste back into the tube? Did he succeed? No. તો આપણો આન્સર શું થશે? Chintu tried to put the paste back. He did not succeed. Now, question number 3. Did Chintu reach the school on time? No. Chintu did not reach the school on time. Please write the answer in your textbook.
Fatima Bibi wanted to get rid of an old cat. She asked her husband, Mullah Nasruddin, to take the cat to a nearby forest and leave her there. After a few days, Mullah was narrating this incident to his friend Sirajuddin.
I put the cat into a basket, walked through unknown streets, reached the forest. I took many trails, turning round and reached a dense grove. Then I opened the basket and the cat jumped out.
So finally, you got rid of the cat. Did Fatima thank you?
No, Fatima thanked the cat.
Why so?
I came back home because of the cat. I followed her.
Friends, I hope now you understood the joke. Now it's time to answer the question. Question number 1. Did Fatima Bibi like the cat? No, Fatima Bibi didn't. નહીં તો ફાતિમા બીબી કેટને જંગલમાં છોડી આવવાનું થોડું કેત? So the answer is no, Fatima Bibi did not like the cat. Now question number 2. Did Mullah get rid of the cat? No, he didn't. No, Mullah did not get rid of the cat. Now question number 3. Did Mullah forget the way to his home? શું મુલ્લા તેમની જાતે ઘરે આવ્યા હતા કે કેટને ફોલો કરીને આવ્યા હતા? તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમે સમજી ગયા હશો કે જવાબ શું હશે. યસ, મુલ્લા forgot the way to his home. Very good. Now it's time to play a game. Hello friends. Hello. How are you? I am fine. Okay. So do you like the game? Yes. Okay, very good. So we will play a game, Dolly. Would you like to play it? Yes. Very good. So before we start the game, let's see some rules. It's a guessing game. So we will play it in a pair, okay? Yes. Okay. Friends, you see, here is a box in my hand. Student 1 will come here. He or she will open the box and will choose a street which he or she likes and will guess something. Student 1 will come here. He or she will select a strips from the box and will guess something. Student 2 will come here and he or she will question to the student 1 for getting a answer. Okay? Yes. Okay. જેમ જેમ વિદ્યાર્થી પ્રશ્ન પૂછશે તેમ તેમ ડોલીનું ચિત્ર બનતું જશે અને ડોલીનું ચિત્ર 6 સ્ટેપમાં પૂરું થશે. એનો મતલબ કે તમારી પાસે કેટલા ચાન્સ છે? 6 ચાન્સ. અને આ 6 ચાન્સમાં જ તમારે જવાબ મેળવી લેવાનો છે. So are you ready for the challenge? Yes. Nice. Now who will come first? You come. What's your name, beta? Kumkum. It's a nice name, beta. Now select one which you like. Okay, who will come? The last one, you come. Please come here. What's your name, beta?
Naveen.
Naveen. Now ask her question to get answer. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay. Now ask her a question.
Did you see an animal?
No, I didn't.
No, she didn't.
Did you eat a fruit?
Yes, I did.
Well done. She did. She ate a fruit.
Did you eat an apple?
No, I didn't.
No, she didn't eat.
Did you eat a banana?
No, I didn't.
No, she didn't.
Did you eat a carrot?
No, I didn't.
No, she didn't.
Did you eat a mango?
Yes, I did.
Very good. She ate a. What's your answer, beta?
Mango.
Mango. Yes, she ate a mango. Well done. What's your name, beta?
Naveen.
Naveen, well done. You win the game and thank you for coming. Kumkum, you can go now. Now, who will come second? Okay, you come. What's your name, beta?
My name is Isha.
Isha, very nice name. Select any screen. Okay, this one. Now, who is ready to take challenge? Last one, you come. What's your name, beta?
My name is Niraj.
Neeraj. Now, are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Very good. Now, ask her a question.
Will you eat a fruit? No, I will not.
No, she will not.
Will you eat a vegetable? No, I will not.
No, she will not eat any vegetable.
Will you see animal? No, I will not.
No, she will not see any animal.
Will you see vehicle? Yes, I will.
Very good. She will see a vehicle. Now,
Will you see bicycle? No, I will not.
no, she will not see a bicycle.
Will you see plane? Yes, I will.
Very good. She will see a plane. Well done. You have completed it before completing the dolly picture. Well done. You are the winner. And Ishita, thanks for coming here. Now, who want to come? You come. Now, who want to come to take challenge? Yes. You come. What's your name, beta?
My name is Vishal.
Vishal. Yes. Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Yes, definitely. You can do it. Ask her a question.
Is it a bird? No, it is not.
No, it is not.
Is it an animal? Yes, it is.
Very good. Well done.
Did you see an elephant? Yes.
Well done, Vishal. You win the game. Well done. And what's your name, beta? I forget your name. Aarti. Thank you for joining us. You can go now. Very good. Well done. So friends, મજા આવી ને? તો આવી જ રીતે તમારી શાળામાં ગેમ રમતા રહેજો અને પ્રશ્નોનું ફ્રેમિંગ કરતા રહેજો. આવજો.
So you enjoyed the game? Now we are going to deal with activity 3.
Moin Khan is a soldier in the Indian Army. He was at the Kargil border. He is an infantry officer. Today, he is in Gyan Swami Primary School, Khandali. The students are asking some questions to Moin Khan.
Hello, sir. We are very happy that you are with us. We want to know many things from you.
Hello, students. You can ask questions one by one.
Sir, do you have a very busy schedule?
Our day starts at 4:30 in the morning. We have to get ready for march by 5. Then we do some exercise. Sometimes we go for hill climbing too.
Oh, really a busy morning. Sir, you must be hungry after a lot of exercise. Do you eat breakfast after exercise?
Yes, we go for breakfast. After breakfast, we practice firing.
Sir, I saw a tank in a movie. But I didn't find the driver in the tank. Does the tank run by itself?
No, dear. It doesn't run by itself. There is a driver in a tank.
Sir, do you drive a tank?
No, I don't. There are some other soldiers for that. I can't drive a tank because I am an infantry officer.
Sir, what is an infantry?
Infantry is a kind of army unit. It's fight on foot. We are foot soldiers. We fight the enemies face to face.
So, do you carry the weapons with you?
Yes, we have to carry the weapons with us. We use the firearms such as a rifle, pistol, machine gun, and knife. We have to carry 50 kg of load with us.
Sir, do you have your family?
Yes, I have. My wife's name is Sabira. I have 2 children. Their names are Afzal and Arfin.
Does your wife come to meet you there?
No, she can't come. She writes letter to me. I call her frequently.
So you can keep a cell phone with you. Do they allow you to keep a mobile?
Yes, they allow us to keep a cell phone. But we can't use it during wartime. There are some security reasons for that.
Do you miss your wife and children?
Yes, I miss them. But I want to protect my country. So I don't have any regret about it. I love my profession.
Sir, does your family like your job?
Yes, they like it. In fact, they are proud of me and my job.
We too are proud of you, sir. You are there to protect us, so we can live in peace here.
Now it is time for completing the table in activity 3B. All of you open your books to this page, Unit 4, activity 3B. Turn to page 43. બધા પેન્સિલ અને ટેક્સ્ટબુક જોડે તૈયાર થઈ જાઓ. Let us read the instructions. Complete the table with the help of the dialogue. Dialogue તો આપણે જોયો પણ છે, સાંભળ્યો પણ છે અને વાંચ્યો પણ છે. તો હવે આ ક્વેશ્ચન્સના આન્સર્સ આપણે ડાયલોગના હેલ્પથી આપવાના છે. Let us look at the first question. Do you have a very busy schedule? Yes માં આપણે ટિક કરીશું કે નો માં? Correct. In yes, because Moin Khan has a really busy schedule. Next question છે, do you eat breakfast after exercise? નો જવાબ yes આવશે કે no? Yes, because Moin Khan exercise કર્યા બાદ જ breakfast લે છે. Let's go to the third question. Does the tank run by itself? આપણા ક્વેશ્ચનનો જવાબ yes માં આવશે કે no માં આવશે? No. The tank doesn't run by itself. The next question is related to it. Do you drive a tank? No. એટલે no માં આપણે ટિક માર્ક કરીશું. હવે question number 5 શું છે? Do you carry the weapons with you? Where will we put the tick mark? In yes or no? Yes. Question number 6 આવે છે, do you have your family? આપણા ક્વેશ્ચનનો જવાબમાં આપણે યસમાં ટિક કરીશું કે નોમાં? Yes. Question number 7. Does your wife come to meet you there? આ ક્વેશ્ચન માટે આપણે કયા કોલમમાં ટિક કરીશું? No, because Moin Khan's wife is not allowed to go there. Do they allow to keep a mobile? This is question number 8. તો આપણે કયા કોલમમાં ટિક માર્ક કરીશું? Yes. Then for question number 9. Do you miss your wife and children? કયા કોલમમાં આપણે ટિક કરીશું? Yes. હવે question number 10 શું છે? Does your family like your job? આપણે જવાબમાં yes કોલમમાં ટિક કરીશું. So here are all the answers for you. Question number 1. Do you have a very busy schedule? The answer is yes. Question number 2. Do you eat breakfast after exercise? The answer is yes. Question number 3. Does the tank run by itself? The answer is no. Question number 4. Do you drive a tank? The answer is no. Question number 5. Do you carry the weapons with you? The answer is yes. Question number 6. Do you have your family? The answer is yes. Question number 7. Does your wife come to meet you there? The answer is no. Question number 8. Do they allow to keep a mobile? The answer is yes. Question number 9. Do you miss your wife and children? The answer is yes. And question number 10. Does your family like your job? The answer is yes. I hope you enjoyed filling this table. તો વિદ્યાર્થીઓ આખું ટેબલ કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ ગયું ને? It was fun reading about Moin Khan's life and then completing the table about it. સારું તો મિત્રો, આજે તો આપણે ખૂબ બધા પ્રશ્નો પૂછ્યા પણ છે અને જવાબ પણ આપ્યા છે. I am sure all of you are experts in yes/no questions now. And now you are ready to learn something new. પણ એ આવતા ક્લાસ માટે આપણે રાખીશું. તો પછી મળીશું. બાય બાય.
Today's question: Moin Khan was from blank army. So for blank, options are here. Option A, Gujarat. Option B, American. Option C, Royal. Option D, Indian. So choose your correct answer and send your response to this toll-free number 6357399477.